Want to speak English fluently in 60 days? Follow these easy steps and start your journey today. How to speak English fluently in 60 days. Welcome to this journey where you will learn how to achieve English fluency in just 60 days if you stay consistent and follow these steps sincerely. The first and most important thing is to set a clear goal for yourself, because without a goal you will not feel motivated to practice every day. Write your goal on a piece of paper and stick it on your wall so that every morning you are reminded of what you are trying to achieve. You need to build a small but strong daily habit, because practicing even 30 minutes every day is more powerful than practicing for hours once a week. Start by speaking simple sentences confidently, because trying to speak like a native speaker on day one will only make you feel discouraged. Listening is the first step to fluency, so you must listen to English every single day through podcasts, YouTube videos, or songs. After you listen, don't just stop there. Try to repeat exactly what you heard and copy the pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Talking to yourself in English might feel strange at first, but it is one of the most powerful ways to build your speaking ability. Every day, make it a goal to learn 5 to 10 new useful English words, and immediately use them in sentences to remember them better. Watching English movies or shows with subtitles can train your ears, and when you become comfortable you should try watching without subtitles. Find someone to practice English with, even if it's for just 5 minutes a day, because real conversations speed up your learning. If you can't find a partner to talk to, no worries. Just stand in front of a mirror and have a conversation with yourself. You can also use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem, because they allow you to find real people who want to practice languages too. In the beginning, don't be obsessed with grammar rules, because fluency comes first, and grammar perfection comes later. You will surely make mistakes while speaking, but don't feel shy, because mistakes are signs that you are learning and improving. Record your voice daily while speaking English, because listening to your own mistakes helps you fix them faster. Spend some time practicing pronunciation separately, because clear pronunciation makes you sound more fluent and confident. Use simple grammar books like Essential Grammar in Use, because they explain rules clearly with examples you can practice. It's better to follow one method consistently rather than mixing too many techniques and getting confused. Every day, write a short paragraph about your day or your thoughts, and then practice reading it aloud to improve fluency. Practice shadow speaking by listening to native speakers and speaking along with them at the same time to match their speed and flow. Join online English learning communities like Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or language exchange websites, where you can practice casually. When you start speaking, don't think too much about forming the perfect sentence, because overthinking will slow you down. Focus on learning useful everyday phrases like, "Can you help me?" instead of memorizing individual words. Review your daily progress at night, because celebrating small achievements keeps your motivation alive. For the first 2 weeks, focus mainly on listening and filling your brain with the sounds and structure of English. From the 3rd week onwards, start speaking more by talking about small topics like your hobbies, family, or favorite movies. When you enter the 5th and 6th week, challenge yourself to speak for longer periods, without stopping to think too much. Even if you make many mistakes during speaking, keep speaking confidently, because confidence is a big part of fluency. Start thinking in English during your daily activities, because this habit will make speaking English feel more natural. Change your mobile phone, laptop, and social media apps to English language settings to immerse yourself completely. Use flashcards apps like Anki to memorize new vocabulary faster, because repetition helps your brain remember better. Reading children's storybooks is a smart idea, because they use clear and simple English that builds your basic skills strongly. Read short English stories every week and then retell them in your own words to practice sentence formation. Start describing your daily routine in English from morning to night, because speaking about familiar topics builds confidence. Instead of memorizing long grammar rules, pick up small tips and apply them immediately in your speaking. Practice talking about common daily topics like shopping, traveling, ordering food, or introducing yourself. Don't waste time comparing yourself with others, because everyone has a different speed and different struggles. Create a mini English environment around you by reading, listening, speaking, and writing a little bit every day. Fluency is not magic, it is the result of small consistent efforts, so you must stay positive during tough days. When you complete your first 30 days of practice, celebrate the achievement because your mind needs rewards for hard work. By 45 days, you will notice that speaking English feels easier, and sentences come to your mind faster. Never stop practicing during these 60 days because breaks will break your flow and slow down your progress. After 60 days, don't quit the practice because fluency needs to be maintained like any other important skill. Always remember to speak more and fear less because the more you speak, the faster you will improve. Smile when you make mistakes because even fluent speakers sometimes say wrong sentences without worrying. Believe deeply in yourself because your mind can achieve what you truly believe and work for. Thank you for starting this beautiful journey, and remember, every word you speak brings you one step closer to fluency. Great job! Keep practicing every day and you will speak English fluently very soon.